So it is 8:30 Sunday morning and we are leaving for camping. Woo! What do you people have to say about that?
There's a spider web in his window.
That's the whole reason I'm starting the vlog now, literally as we're leaving the neighborhood, is because she wanted to vlog about a silly spider web. I wasn't gonna start this vlog until we got to where we're going. She's like, you're missing your golden opportunity. You're missing out on subscribers. I'm like,
Drama and ratings.
Yeah, she was worried about my ratings.
Yeah, I'm her manager. I'm what make her vlogs worth watching, right, people? Give me a thumbs up if that's true. And subscribe.
And subscribe. There we go. Feel the wind. It's not even there.
I don't approve of windows being open. We should ban open windows. They should all be glued shut. Woo! For the sake of my hair.
Video mom! We have arrived, finally. We're here. We're camping out in the wilderness at Mount Rainier. There's wild creatures behind me.
Now, we've always parked.
Yes, we survived the long 2.5-hour journey thanks to much string cheese and salami. Thank you, Albertsons, for your random string cheese and salami. The last time we were here at this campsite was like, let's see, what is 2016? Like 2010? Maybe 11? So it's been a while. It's smaller than I remember. So beautiful and peaceful, and I'm looking forward to much relaxing. So we got tent number 1 going up over here. Tent number 2 over there. Poor girl with a broken collarbone. So her arm's in a sling. How are you doing?
I'm doing okay. My bone keeps itching.
That's not fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. Her nickname is now Snap. Thanks to Tiana. Because her bone went snap!
It did.
Like, did you actually hear it when it?
I did. I actually heard the bone
That's actually kind of terrifying.
And like, I was like laying on pain and I'm like, guys, I heard a snap. And they're like, oh, maybe it was like cartilage. And I'm like, guys, I heard a snap.
About an hour and a half later, we have set up camp completely. We have tents. Woo! Mother taking pictures. Woo! Poke, 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 poke. Yeah, tents, food. Daddy's taking Google Cardboard, panorama 3D thingamajiggies. Yeah, Snap.
Shannon needs her snap. That is just wrong. That is wrong.
How's it going, Snap? Okay, anyways, so hello, my name is Tiana, also known as Human with a Vlog or the Phantom Costumer online. So I thought I'd do a little introduction because I will probably be doing a large majority of the vlogging this weekend. This is probably going to be really boring. What else am I supposed to tell you? And I'm camping. I'm introducing myself. Where are you? There you are.
You are by now.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
They just know my voice. I'm the one that makes these vlogs interesting. The channel is called Sereina with a Nutshell. In a nutshell. Sereina with a nutshell. Sereina in a nutshell.
Note to self.
I'm really good at English, if you haven't noticed. Note to Sereina, edit that part out. Oh, that's going in.
Flavored water. This is where we keep our drinks.
Good.
Everybody.
Dun dun dun. Wow. Nature. I'm getting a little bit of a haze from a sun flare. It's beautiful.
Oh, and there we go. I got the winning shot right here.
Yeah, that is the winning shot.
Lens flare.
Beautiful. Gorgeous. How do you feel about that shot? I feel fabulous.
Yes.
I do. I'm gonna drink this now.
We're gonna watch you. The whole world is watching.
This isn't awkward at all.
6,954 billion people are watching.
I have like 20 subscribers.
This one's the one that's gonna go viral. To our future children. This is what we looked like, sounded like, talked like.
Yes, on August 28th, 2006. I almost said 2015. It's 2016.
So we're gonna show this to our future children. Hi!
Hello!
I don't know when or where you are. This is getting awkward.
Yeah.
Okay, goodbye.
She's making a big fuss about putting her hands in ice.
It's cold!
She's such a wimp. She just threw an ice cube at me. This is war.
I like trees.
Do trees like you?
No.
Camping.
You guys have 3 coolers. Well, we have to make all of our food. Awesome.
All the gluten-free food.
Exactly.
Crazy that one.
That is so awesome.
Mastered. This is cool.
She is not going too bad, you know.
Go away, bug. There was a bug, really.
We need to be this like synchronized.
Damn!
It's not effective.
It's so obvious though. It's like a fake wiggle. Fruit salad! Fruit salad!
Oh my god! Alina makes fun of me for remembering that.
That is the best.
First night at the campsite, we have fires going, games playing, and smoke blowing in my eyes. And they're over there doing virtual reality, Google cardboard things. They're all walking circles with cardboard in front of their eyes. Are we having fun over here?
No.
I'm not convinced. We're keeping it cute.
Hey, look, yeah.
I love that. Hello. America.
Wow.
It is morning now. We survived the first night. Woo! I don't even know if you can hear me because this is not a very loud voice. People are sleeping. We have fire though. See? Keeps me nice and toasty. And Tinana roasts her sausage over the fire. How's that going for you?
Slow. Tough and it's hard.
Got some hammock action going on right now. So, something weird's happening over there. But yeah, I didn't sleep very well last night, so I'm kind of feeling almost as tired as when I went to bed, which isn't fun, but I think we're pretty much just chilling all day, which will be good. Get some rest and relaxation. Join the space, da 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 da, in the great outdoors. Yeah, there's my Disney moment for the day, people. But yeah, I want to get some pictures of the mountains, go to some of the viewpoints, but other than that, I just want to relax. Life has been busy and just literally like do nothing sounds pretty fabulous, so let's see how much nothing we can do.
So the other day I burned with these 2 fingers because I couldn't cut my fork. So I was eating with my left hand.
Oh.
Really hard. 60 bucks. Yeah.
My hair was kind of a mess this morning, so I'm getting it done in French braids by Lily. Hi. So it's afternoon on day 2 of camping trip. We have boys over here. They're hanging out on hammocks. What are you guys up to on your hammocks?
Watch this. Hey, watch this.
Wow, look at you.
I can help him.
You guys look like giant blue burritos. And then we have over here a bunch of people playing the Resistance, which is like a board game type thing. All the people, And then we have over by the fire, parents talking about things. Over here. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm not like eating up all the screen. Woo! Yeah.
I did.
So we're leaving to go to a waterfall like 5 minutes from our campground. What's the waterfall called?
Christine Falls.
Christine Falls. We're gonna go see Christine Falls. It's evening, the light should be good. We should have some fabulous photo opportunities, people.
And I get to sit next to you. I get to sit next to you.
Only beginning.
Ready for some waterfall action. Who's ready for some waterfall action? Anybody? It's me. I have so much camera gear, it's kind of insane. And you're probably not going to be able to hear me very soon because it is noisy. There's a waterfall behind me. You can kind of see it a little bit. Yep, there you go. You can see the waterfall now.
Water! What do you have to say that has absolutely nothing to do with water or waterfalls?
Volcanoes are destructive.
Well, what do you think, guys?
How was the waterfall?
I know. Start walking back. It's those people that mess it up like that.
If I remain in my safe boundaries.
So we're back from the waterfall now. A bunch of the people went on a little mini hike to a little bridge that was above like that stone bridge we went to. And people went on the hike. How was the little mini hike thingy?
It was good.
Yeah?
Cool bridge. Cool view.
Nice view?
Nope.
Yeah? Y'all enjoyed it?
Trail was awesome, barefoot.
Barefoot? Yes.
Yes, barefoot. The
Oh.
answer.
Yes. And in other news, Ben has become very territorial. This is his zone here.
My zone. Don't
Yeah.
cross the line.
Don't. I don't know. I might just have to. I might just.
Nope.
You know.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope. Cross the line.
Who else wanted to see the top today?
Oh, the top? Oh. Oh, I was distracted.
Wow, that was very less dramatic than I was expecting.
There's no line. Circle's been broken.
It was a circle. There were like two lines.
Kind of.
What? You've been all meaning to talk to you.
Oh my god.
This is bug protection.
Break in
Yeah.
the line.
Yes, it is sometime in the evening. And yes, I am cooking hash browns. Because hash browns are good any time of day.
Very nice background. Okay, Bethany. Are these? I'm scared that he's gonna come over. No!
Oh, it's we're being bad. I was just looking at him.
I knew it. This is reject card right here. Reject.
What is happening?
I knew it.
Just the kangaroo.
Take it away. Anybody, please take it away. Lily? The cult leader.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Scary kangaroos too.
What's going on? So we're leaving to go see Paradise and some mountain viewpoints. How do we feel about this? Whoop whoop, yay!
Alright, Serena sparked up again.
Tiana. You like to creepily pet things, Tiana.
Are they back there?
And we have friends we're waiting for. We got some over here. More back there somewhere I can't see.
Yummy, yummy soda, yummy soda. Huh?
Yummy soda, yummy. Never heard of it.
Come on. You've heard of peeling out.
I've heard of peeling out.
We had a bear sighting on the side of the road, and everybody comes out to see it. This seems like a dumb idea. Humans. You can hear them snapping twigs.
Yeah. Now we know what bear snapping twigs sounds like.
Yes, we're going this way. Just arriving. Paradise. Adventures, sightseeing, and all that jazz. Now we're all having lunch around the fire. Hello, everybody. Woo. Fire!
I like watching second.
Roasting hot dogs over the fire.
How about the idiot open carry guy?
Ooh, you freeze.
Those guys. Well, the guys that are in the middle of the city.
Did Lily just clip me? People keep clipping me on my bandana. Apparently, bandanas are bad if you're playing the chip clip game.
So that's kind of weird.
What, is there more?
I don't know. Maybe.
I don't know. I'm a very easy target, apparently.
Maybe.
Like most bizarre stuff, sometimes they'll end up miles and miles away from where they can walk.
I felt that.
Take it outside.
Lily can never get getting sloppy, Lily.
I